Let's let
Wait,
Spook fucking pull him all the way in the back before he even DPS.
He's not gonna stay.
Zelly is definitely not ready.
Right. Oh, yeah. Stop it.
She went to explore the little drop down thing. Should know if you mention something like his, whoa, I didn't know this was there. Everyone's gonna check it out. Gotta be a buzzkill, Zelly, come on. You should have at least acted like you didn't know it was there.
Damn it, I can't do any of those neat fidget spinner tricks where they can throw it from one hand to another.
Wait, Spook, please tell me you don't actually have one.
I actually do.
Fucking autistic fuck.
Will is something passive aggressive with that, dude.
Fucking autistic.
Fucking savage, dude.
Damn it, dude.
No chill whatsoever.
Someone just gave it to me as payment when they owed me money.
Payment,
You shouldn't have accepted the weaponized.
You should have punched him in the balls.
He just gave you autism, dude. Come on.
Oh
God.
I didn't use it as a joke.
Oh god.
Does that mean whenever I gotta pay you back, I can just draw a square, write IC on it, and give it to you for Imperial coins?
Nah, dude. You just fucking just give him a fidget spinner, like a picture of one. He'll be fine.
I'll send him the picture of the Earth fidget spinner.
Yeah.
You better print that out and fucking print out 100 copies and glue them all together and just
And mail it to you?
Put bearings in it and mail it to me, yes.
Nah, dude.
Put bearings.
Since he's into Roblox, I'm pretty sure he'll be into the Roblox hentai if that's even a thing.
I'll ship it through you.
It's roll 34.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Alright, we're here. Let's go.
Let's go. Zelly has no mana.
Dude, you don't need mana as a spirit shaper.
Until you decide to res.
Nah, dude, that's where you just say fuck you for dying because you're shit.
Man, that's
alright. Resing doesn't cost that much anyway.
Whoa, I got hearts on me, dude. What happened?
Everybody has to get there.
I'm about to die.
Dodge the boss, Lily.
Start moving then.
He's coming over, he's coming over. Yo, he's eating him out.
Thank you, Qual. I was healing Spook.
Fuck, I think I spun the fidget spinner too hard.
Is dead.
What's new, dude?
Spun the fidget spinner too hard, now it's warped. Cats, he's gonna fucking go apeshit if I...
So what if you just like?
Lines in the middle?
What if you just like?
You can break them.
Just do it.
Right, John?
Yeah, there he goes.
Takes
Right
a
back.
while there.
Helix Blade works really good on him.
Holy shit, Ray, like ran out of the circle.
Calling it Vanguard Halberd right now. Vanguard Halberd drop right here.
I swear to God, if a Spirit Shaper bell drops and Zelly gets it, I'm gonna fucking cry.
I've got the soul stone, no problem to open.
Why? Do you need it or something?
Yeah, dude.
You need it. That shit's like the best weapon you can get.
I don't have the Demon Slayer one, dude. I'm already using the shitty crafted one.
Legit, the Mistcrafted main hand are like the best unless you're gonna fucking spend hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
That is gold, not like...
On getting that miscrafted offhand and transferring it to a 69 weapon adds insane base stats.
Damn it.
Fucking nines, what the fuck?
He needs to
Maybe.
spawn ads like right now because he's about to go out of the arena.
I got you, Ray.
Maybe if you ask Zell nicely, she'll not roll on it.
There.
No, it's okay. I'm
Fuck
just-
that hoe. Hello? You don't need it.
Bitch, I do need it.
No, you don't. I fucking need it. I'm still have my fucking. Oh well, I
Hey,
have my
fuck you.
60. I have my 60 weapon in the fucking mail.
Yeah, fuck you.
Oh, Jack. I'm
Grab the
literally.
defender.
Burst it down. Burst it down. Spin.
Careful on this one, dude.
My favorite boss, the defender.
The
What do I
fidget
say?
spinner.
It's not
Rockets.
like the other. What do I
Rockets.
say?
Coming
Hold
to eat.
on. Stay
Jack, are
strong.
you still alive?
You're strong.
I can play a song
Why
called
the fuck
The
is this
Defender.
over
Next time we do an NC 3-star next week, I'm gonna play the song called Defenders. Nah, dude, I'm gonna play the song The Defenders by Dragon Force.
You're a Dragon 4.
I'm gonna die.
Don't do
Hey, I
that.
survived the missile. This doesn't happen in 3-star.
Lily, you've been dead half the time in 2-star, dude. Come on.
Blue.
Where's she out of here?
First.
And you're dead, Troy. Aw. I was gonna snipe.
The boss. I have Comet Strike up, but I can't use it for another until that Comet Strike goes away. So slow down, slow down.
No, use Common Check on Fumigator, not the boss.
Are you just gonna burst the boss, or?
No, the Fumigator. Burst the Fumigator.
Bursting the Fumigator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. We go through this every time.
I know.
Fumigator is up. Burst it down.
Aim it at the
Just kill
fucking
it, just
dude.
kill it, just kill it. No, don't care about the fucking spray, dude. Just kill it. Fuck it.
He's out of range for it.
Fuck it, yeah.
Oh, it only has 20 seconds left on the resistance. I think you hit it.
No, that's Comet Strike.
Really?
That's the Comet Strike resistance, dude.
It's fine. We have the damage to kill him. Whatever.
Damn it.
Blue.
Oh, never mind. Fuck, I'm sure.
Yo, this nugget, the bully.
Fucking chicken nuggies, dude.
I swear to God that if that would have killed me,
I would have actually wanted to die.
I would have been tilted.
Yeah,
That
you
would've
know,
been
I still
important.
did ask what happened to me yesterday, please, Lily.
I would have been so tilted.
Nah, yeah, you haven't seen the real deal.
Oh my
Last night,
god. What the hell?
Yeah, dude, I'm a fucking beast.
Just don't die now, Spook. It's literally just rotating the same mechanics over and over again.
You're a mechanic.
You know, Lilo, what happened to me? Before I slept. You know what happened? I was crafting fucking instrument, and it failed with
Oh,
98% chance. Please, dude.
Yeah.
You're not as stupid as me.
The 90%, dude.
My buttons. We're in the wrong place.
Arms on me.
Oh, hands.
Hands on me.
Oh my god, I was looking
Lola.
at the hands.
Don't worry, I pay attention to those hands because I remember the first time we did this, and I got the hand on me, and no one got rid of it.
Don't worry. I got you, B.
Okay.
Not
What
good.
is up with these nuggets?
Nugget.
Are they made out of chicken?
They're from
Chicken
McDonald's, that's why they're so bad.
Oh,
Oh, no, I
fucking
like-
Wendy's would agree with you.
Wendy's
Yeah,
Twitter, I got a
I
hand,
love
me and
Wendy's.
Cole both
I
have
got a
hand.
hand.
Lilo to your left, Lilo to your left.
Yeah, I hit it. No problem, dude.
Fucking savage Wendy's.
They have like their own meme page and shit now.
Yeah, they're like the
Wendy's
best.
is just pretty much its own meme page.
Yeah.
I love Wendy's. I'm gonna have to be like their regular customer.
Hands? Is it hands? No.
I'm a Chick-fil-A person.
You're him.
Ew, I hate Chick-fil-A. For obvious reasons.
Chipotle is
What's the obvious reason?
I got you.
Yo, Ellie, that life though.
Yeah, it happens all the time. I always tank the whole thing. I don't give a fuck.
How does he have so many hands, dude? Why is he
Oh, man.
touching
He's
He needs to grab more dick.
people right
Every
now?
time he
works
grabs
he works at a glory
He
hole.
needs like more fucking
Oh,
things
we
in
got
life.
this confirmed.
pretty much.
Damn.
Tell me it's not bad.
He
Tell me
thinks
it's not bad.
he thinks we're
Bomb,
fidget
bomb,
spinners.
Spawned it. Bomb.
He thinks we're fidget
Dude.
spinners, guys. That's why he's grabbing us.
Oh,
Dude, and we got a good rating. Oh my god.
Every expert run I go to, I always get fairy fights, dude. Except for one run.
I didn't get one.
I think
Are these bounds? I'm gonna sell these on the auction house.
Feels bad, dude. I got a shitty drop.
No item drop, but I'm happy with that Fairbite, man.
I'm just
Where'd you
gonna
get a
wait so I
fair,
can look at my fucking rolls and what I rolled
Give me
on.
this
I got
Fairbite,
it.
dude.
Oh,
I need my
and you'll
fucking weapon.
Well, guess what? I
Alright.
also got 2 of those cloud days.
I need
Damn
more
Dang it,
armor.
man.
Wow. The one person who doesn't need it gets it. Feels bad.
Feels good.
got nothing.
What?
Right.
No more. Stop.
It's
Astral Grid voice?
How much food do you get?
Yo,
for
an astral
bosses?